I'm on my way to buy 100 nuggets from McDonald's because we're about to do the 100 nugget challenge. Sios is having a hard time justifying it because it's going to be expensive. But I don't care. I don't care.
5, 20 packs.
So is it, how many 20 packs, sorry?
5 please.
20 packs?
Yeah, so 100 nuggets.
100 nuggets.
Okay, 100 nuggets.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. What?
I heard her say 100 nuggets. My hair looks ridiculous. I don't care. I'ma still do this challenge with this hair. Because I haven't been well, guys. That's why I look so yucky. We're doing the 100 nugget challenge, as you can see. But the main aim of the game is for us to eat all of the 100 nuggets in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, set, start. Now. I don't think we can do it. Are you gonna miss it? You're fire, bro.
Can I do something like that?
No.
Yeah.
Keep it down. Whatever, you can't tell me how to eat it.
Siêu béo không được.
Stop.
Nghe đi.
Stop!
Bỏ đi. Ê. Nó chưa đến mất tiền không nha.
Stop! No!
Con lộ.
I didn't have all of these!
Gì kia đều mẹ ổ rồi kia mẹ.
Stop!
Nó có quanh với mông.
That's yours! I don't think I can eat any more nuggets for the rest of the year. Oh, I can't do it.
What?
Well, there you have it, guys. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's count how many each other have. I ate 33 nuggets and Siossi ate 32 nuggets in 10 minutes. So we have 35 nuggets. So together we ate 65. 65 nuggets.
Thank you so much.
Well, it is what it is. 17 nuggets left. So you see, I only ate 19 actually because the nuggets on the ground, that's his.
Oh no.
So we ate 64 nuggets, and there's 30. Oh my god, what's my math? Do I even math? We hope that you like this video. If you did like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, make sure to turn on the bell button so that you get our notifications every time we upload a video. But I can't eat anymore.